Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss on how to define a compute field and a compute function in Odoo 17. So as you can see, this is my custom module, that is the company management. So let me go to the Python file. So this is the Python file of my custom module that I've created. And here you can see that I've defined a field called upper name, that is a character field. And I've given the string as upper name. And you can see here that I have defined a compute function inside this field. So I've given the compute function name here. So if you just press the Control F to find the function, you can find the function here. So in this function, I have basically given the field name as the dependent field here, the API.depends, because the function should be dependent on the field name, which is defined in the same model. As you can see here, I have defined the field name here, that is name. And here, as you can see here, that I've given a small function where if there is name in the field, the upper name, that is the field that I've defined, should be equal to the uppercase letters, or else it should be displayed as null. So as you can see here that I have defined the function here. So after defining the function, you should make sure that you give this upper name, that is the compute field, inside the view of your custom module. So if I just go to the views here, as you can see that I have defined it inside the custom module that I've created. So after that, let me run the code. And after running the code, let me go to the UI and make sure that I upgrade the module. So let me just upgrade the module here. So after upgrading the module, let me go to the company management and create a new record. So here you can see that the upper name field has been visible because we have given in the view. And I'll just type in here and save the record. And as you can see that the uppercase letter has been displayed here in the field upper name, as we have given the function to display the upper letters, which we have given the input in name field. So as you can see that this field is not editable. So basically the compute fields are not editable and is not stored in the database. In Odoo, sometimes we may require special types of fields having values calculated from other fields. We may require calculated values from the same records or in the related records. One of the common examples for the usage of such fields is calculating the total amount that is calculated by multiplying the unit price of the product with quantity. So instead of storing the values in the database, we can also calculate the values for the field by a function in Odoo. In Odoo, we can achieve this by the use of compute fields. So this is how you define a compute function and a compute field in Odoo 17. That's all for today. Thank you.